In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your asset tracker sheet in Smartsheet by the assignee checkout date. To follow along, start by opening your asset tracker sheet in Smartsheet. You can do this from your recent sheets list or by navigating through your workspace, but the key is that you're on the main grid view of the asset tracker. Once the sheet is open, give it a moment to fully load so all your columns and rows are visible. Next, we're going to open the sorting options. At the top of the sheet, look for the toolbar where you typically see options like filter, grouping, or other sheet actions. In that toolbar, there will be an icon or menu item related to sorting. In the guide, this area is highlighted, so go ahead and click on that highlighted sort option. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Sort Rows. This opens the Sort Rows dialog box, which is where we'll tell Smartsheet exactly how we want to order the data. Inside the Sort Rows window, you'll see a drop-down field that lets you select which column to sort by. Click on that drop-down. You'll see a list of all the columns in your asset tracker sheet. Scroll through the list and select the column named Assignee Checkout Date. This is important because it ensures your assets will be sorted based on the date they were checked out. Once you've selected the Assignee Checkout Date column, you'll see options to define the sort order, typically something like ascending or descending. The highlighted areas in the guide indicate where to click. Ascending will usually place the earliest dates at the top, while descending puts the most recent or farthest out dates first. Choose the order that best fits how you want to review your data. For many teams, sorting with the soonest checkout dates at the top makes it easier to see which assets need attention first. After you've confirmed the column and the sort order, look toward the bottom of the dialog box and click on the OK button. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will reorder all the rows in your asset tracker based on the assignee checkout date you selected. That's all you need to do. You've now successfully sorted your asset tracker in Smartsheet by assignee checkout date, making it much easier to manage upcoming and past asset checkouts.